Okay, so what I found frustrating when I first set up my radio on my M3 is that I only had 8 stations. So I would go to FM, I would set up 8 stations, and I would run out of space. What I found is actually there's a better way. You just set up a bunch of different presets. That way you can go through FM, AM, all the different stations that you have. It could be XM included, right? And you set them all up as presets. So to do that, you go to media, right? You're on FM, you can start selecting all the presets that you want to establish. So we can go all the way up to the top, right? And we can start selecting what we want. So let's say I want to add this station, right? I add this station. I want to add this one, add this one, add to presets, add to presets. Now you can do the same thing with AM. So I can go back here, drag this out, go to AM, right? And say I want to set this one, add that. You can select any of these and you can add stations from there as well. So you can hit Sirius XM, you can hit this one, you can add preset, you can hit here, add preset, right? And then when you're actually on media and you're just using it, if you go home and you go to media again, you can just select presets, right? And you can select all your stations from here. And then when you hit right and left on here, it'll just go to those presets, right? So